In this video series, I am going to tell you about the 10 best deep sky objects that you can see through your telescope. This video is going to be in two parts, so please subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified for the second part of this video. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Number 1 on our list is Whirlpool Galaxy. It is one of the most studied and easily recognizable due to dwarf galaxy NGC 5195, which is gravitationally interacting with the Whirlpool Galaxy, pulling on the spiral arms and creating new star-forming regions. In short, Whirlpool Galaxy is feeding on the dwarf galaxies. The galaxies can be seen from reasonably dark side, just above the last star in the handle of Big Dipper constellation. Star Alkaid is very close to M51, so it can be a great starting point to find it. Dumbbell Nebula is a planetary nebula whose nebulosity is surrounding a white dwarf star. It is located in the constellation of Vulpecula. Finding M27 is simple. Just locate Altair and Deneb in the constellation of Aquilia and Cygnus. M27 is about a third distance from Altair and Deneb, starting from star Altair. Planetary nebulas like M27 are formed when a sun-like star begins to reach the end of its life and starts shedding out its outer layers in space. The haze that surrounds the Dumbbell Nebula consists of ionized gas which provide its unique color. Number 3 on our list is Beehive Cluster or M44. It is like a swarm of stars. It is one of those deep sky objects that you can see without your telescope. Regulus and Gemini stars, Castor and Pollux will be your guide stars to Beehive Cluster. It is located in the halfway between Castor and Pollux pair. M44 is one of the nearest open clusters to Earth. It holds up about 1000 stars. When in dark skies, you can see some of the nebulosity that is surrounding these stars. Ring Nebula is a planetary nebula located in the northwestern constellation Lyra. Ring Nebula had a similar fate like Dumbbell Nebula's star. It also has a white dwarf at its center. M57 is best seen during the months of June, July and August. It might be difficult for you to find it, but that's due to its size, not its brightness. Moreover, you'll need a dark and moonless night to see it at its best. M57 is found south of the bright star Vega, which forms the northwestern vertex of Summer Triangle. Next on our list is Triangulum Galaxy. It is a spiral galaxy which is also a satellite galaxy of Andromeda Galaxy. This is about half the size of a Milky Way. Moreover, it is one of the easiest galaxies to observe if you are under dark skies. It is located near the Andromeda Galaxy in the Andromeda constellation. The galaxy lies about 2.7 million light years away from Earth, and it is the third largest member of local group of galaxies behind Andromeda and Milky Way. M33 is a diffused object that can easily get lost in small amount of light pollution, so make sure to stay away from big cities while trying to see this deep sky object. In the next video of this series, we'll discuss the top 5 deep sky objects. So please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell on. Thank you for watching this video.